Hello YouTube, today we have a TackLIFE Automotive Accessories Jump Starter. So this is the Model T8 Pro, Tanga.com. I think I got it for about, let's say maybe, strawberries looks like $40. The body of it. Like it has a input USB on this side, so when you actually open this you get these inputs here, or outputs actually. So there's a 5 volt to 9 volt, there's a 12 volt, and then you have these inputs for charging, I believe, over on the right side. And then this would be the connection for your jump starter here on the left side. So it's got the 2 prongs here, so essentially you would insert that here to do your jump starting. So yeah, and then so you can do some charging with this as well. It's a portable, basically a portable battery, so it's useful for different things. Very nice, very good for having in the vehicle when you're on a long trip or somewhere remote. So that's about it regarding this TackLIFE. Thank you.